Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about a review video, unboxing video. Today I am going to share with you a fragrance brand called DOSSIER, which I have been trying it out. So these are the fragrances. So first talk about this brand called DOSSIER. This is a French-based fragrance company which recreate designer luxury perfume only at $29. DOSSIER is a French-based company which recreate designer luxury fragrances at a fraction of cost. Means their fragrances starts with $29 and higher up to $49. So in $29 you can get feeling of wearing highly luxury designer perfume. First of all, these fragrances are vegan, 100% vegan, cruelty free, no parabens, no alcohol, and 100% natural. And their mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxurious inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you a freedom to explore new scents. So, how their packaging look like? See, I was really impressed with the packaging. Is far better than that luxury brand packaging. It's highly affordable and yet very, it looks so good. It's packaging so good, like luxurious designer brand perfume. Okay, iconic scent, designer quality, no markup. Okay, and here's a note: musky oakmoss. I've chosen two fragrances, one for me and one for my husband. I've chosen for myself floral vanilla and my husband musky oakmoss. So this one is for men. There's a note written on the concentration, top notes, middle notes is made of pineapple, apple, bergamot, rose, peach, leaf, patchouli, oakmoss, amber. So it's create Aventus Eau de perfume, concentration 15%. And thank you. How does it work? Everything is written on this note. So it's really good. No? So let's talk about this packaging. It's so good. It looks like a designer perfumes, or its packaging is highly good. Guys, one thing I would like to tell you, I've been using these fragrances since last week and I'm going to review today after 7 days. So I can tell these fragrances smells exactly like higher designer luxury perfumes. Yes, you can get only this, you can feeling of wearing that kind of luxury designer perfumes only at $29. And let's open this bottle. Okay, how does this bottle look like? You can see, and comes with a magnet. Oh, I really like it. Magnet cap. Oh my god, it really smells so good. Okay, one thing I would like to share you. If you want to make your any kind of perfume fragrance long lasting, so whenever you take a shower, apply on your skin, not on your dress. Okay, apply on your neck, your wrist, so it will get long lasting. Okay, so few spray. Okay, my god, this really smells so good. I can get a feeling of wearing luxury brand. Oh my god, it really smells so good, and it's exactly same fragrance is exactly same like Avenue du perfumes. Really, yeah, it smells so good. And one thing I would like to tell you that it's long lasting. Yes, it's long lasting. I've been wearing this fragrances since morning after having shower, and I can really feel still like same fragrances. Seriously. So it's highly affordable and highly. Check out my second bottle, which is floral vanilla. It has same, comes with this note. It's mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice, jasmine, orange, blossom, cedarwood. Means this composition is everything is written on it. So you can get to know that what's made of, what kind of ingredients they are using, their concentration, and inspired by. They're inspired by YSL Black Optimum Eau de perfume, I think, which cost you around $100, and you can get same brand, same fragrance at $29. So you must give it a try at least. But it comes with a small sample size along with this big bottle. First try this sample size bottle and apply and check out whether you want to keep it or you want to return it, whether it suits your body, you like its fragrance, or you want to return it. So try, and don't open this bottle, big bottle, same pack in same box, and return it. They will give you fully refund. Yes, fully refund without any shipping cost. So what else you want at $29? Everything is given down below in description box, their website, everything. You can get more fragrances in their website and inspired by. So if you're inspired by any luxury brand which you can't afford, or you have used it, or you want to try this kind of affordable brand, so you can use it. There everything is written, everything is available on their website, which is inspired by, and they have wide variety of fragrances on their website. You can get 10% off by using my code Sonia, and if you are ordering first time, your first order, you can get 20%. So you can get 20 plus 10 using my code. You can get straight away 30% discount. When we are ordering first time from the website, you can get 20% discount, and when you check out, use my code 10 Sonia, you can get more 10% discount. So what else you want in $29, and moreover you can get 30% discount. So I think you should try and give it a try, and you in $29 you can buy more fragrances, 3-4 fragrances you can want. And I also want to try more fragrances in affordable price. I hope friend you enjoyed this video. If you really want to make a purchase, everything is given down below in description box. Use my code, you get 10%, and if you're ordering first time from their website, on your first order you can get straight away 20%. So what are you thinking of? You should avail this interesting and higher designer fragrances in affordable way. So give it a try. Give gift to your loved one, dear ones. So I hope you like my video, enjoy this video. If you want more videos like this, so give thumbs up and give your valuable feedback in description box or comment box. Bye bye, love you all.